Welcome to Google's Pixel manufacturing facility. Today, I'll show you how we build AI-first smartphones. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. From partnered Nexus to pure Google Vision, Pixel revolutionized smartphone photography through computational intelligence. Pixel cameras, 50MP sensors combined with Tensor AI creating photos impossible for hardware alone. Google's computational photography magic manufactured at scale.
Property ko spark tin to testiga. A project walben FD bakchang tahi. Outchigi gatikul betis tributo hijbote tem.
Our Pixel devices, powered by Tensor AI, use cutting-edge computational photography to capture your best moments.
Hello, we're calling about your car's extended warranty.
Look out for new updates.
The thermal imaging confirms it. The Tensor G4 is overheating.
And look at the performance degradation. This is critical.
To mix.
We need to find a solution for this thermal issue immediately. The user experience is paramount.
Okay, let's compare the thermal conductivity of this new material.
The simulation shows a significant improvement in heat dissipation with this design.
Implementing improved thermal management via Android update to Pixel 9 fleet.
তো দেখছি পারবে যে এটি এক রিপিওর পেল চলে যেতে
লংটো তুলেন হয়েছে তো দেশত পেশকান্তে ক্রিস্ট করছেন কাথিটের একটু ভিডিও
Pixel cameras undergoing comprehensive optical testing. Focus accuracy across all lenses confirmed. Computational photography performing consistently. Google Camera Leadership Excellence verified.
With adaptive batteries' new AI enhancements, your phone learns your app usage patterns. Tensor AI
Both I am the week do it and finally can take on back into business during got can at in different take up in mouth exhibition to the Jamo tax of Caribbean.
Production flexibility. AI photography for every user. Different price points. Innovation across range.
Wow, the night sight is incredible. Magic Eraser, Best Take, Real Tone. Google's AI makes photography so easy and amazing.
Tensor chips require careful handling.
Camera calibration is key for Pixel's imaging. This explains computational photography.
Let's test these AI features.
بيتصل مكين موتور بيسكولو بوتوتم. هريكاس के चमे एक टिकर मुफ में कोली में फिल्मों आती एक और आटो मां पोर एक मोमेंटम
We at Google believe in building a strong Android ecosystem through strategic partnerships. Our Pixel devices showcase the pure Android vision.
So yesterday's Pixel output was strong.
Indeed, and today's Tensor chip targets are ambitious but achievable.
Our camera calibration.
My name is Lee. I'm a manufacturing veteran. I have been with Google for more than 7 years, since Pixel 1.
We calibrate our optical modules with microscopic precision to ensure the highest quality imaging standards.
The Samsung camera sensor delivery is delayed. Our supply chain team is coordinating with Samsung for alternative allocations.
Look how perfectly this camera module fits.
Excellent work. Now let's test its computational photography capabilities.
Celebrating 10 million Pixel 9 series devices. A computational photography revolution. Based on user feedback, we're enhancing our computational photography. This AI processing improves sharpness and color. We're preparing for OTA deployment.
The core logic here seems to be the issue. Let's isolate that module and run diagnostics.
Agreed. What are you seeing on the production line, Maria? We're seeing a slight variance in the component seating. Pixel production is on track. Computational photography metrics are exceeding targets.
Excellent. Helpful tech integration is our next focus for seamless 24/7 continuity.
Protecting Google's core technology, from Tensor chips to user privacy, is our utmost priority here.
Now you know Google Pixel's manufacturing secrets. Which Pixel feature do you love most? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more AI smartphone deep dives.
Next, Apple iPhone factory secrets. Then, Samsung Galaxy production precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. Hey Google,